6 hours just in today. After more than 2 hours, I finished the work, and now it's time of the laser. I'm going to the market and bring something tonight. Working for more than 24 hours. The model is done. Now I'm in the college. I'm waiting for my professor to give me critique about my school project submission. I want to say that I finished the premium, so the plan and the form of the project to forward the next step and the pre-final and show you more than just form and plan, about design and structure and all of them. So now I should go. Before some minutes, my professor was there and give me the critique about the school project submission. So he gave me some good advice about my submission, my project, my mistakes, what I should to do for the next step. School and your plan is good. I love it about the concept, what you choose it, but a bit change your form, and in some place I had a mistake. So if we look at this is my school project, and this is his advice and critique about my project. So I will be change this thing that he mentioned and he highlighted in order to get a better result. So I will be fix the problem and bring the better form for the school project. Hello guys, welcome back to a new part video of final submission for the school project with my new professor, Mr. Said. He's giving me a new critique for the school project. We are about the finishing of the structure of the column and the other part of the structure, right? Yeah, so why I record this part, because I want to show all of them that my teachers not ready to help me in this important and essential time. Instead, my friends and colleagues help me in this situation. I can feel that someone help me and support me in this bad situation. Good afternoon guys. Hello. After 6 hours just in today on the school project, luckily finished the paper, everything like the elevation, section, plan, site. I should to work on the design of the sheet, and also my friends helped me. I want to tell them thanks for this things. They said that Bülent, you are not be able to mention our name, but it's okay. I should to work on the model, the 3D model. It's really complex, it's really hard, but we should to deal. Sometimes trying to doing these challenges, maybe it's a new experience in your life. In the modeling you will become back. Yeah. So for now, I should to go. After more than 2 hours, I finished the work, and now it's time for the laser in the stationery shop. If you look at. This is the file of the model that I prepared in the home everything by the detail. And for now, maybe in next 20 minutes, finish it stationery shop. But after in the home, we have too many works to do it. After finishing the work in the stationery shop and bought everything, like bring everything that we needed for the modeling, with my brother we decide to go into the market and bring something tonight, because we all really know that tonight we don't have a sleep and just working if we can finish it. Now I want to say, after working for more than 24 hours, the model is done and completely now is ready to submit. But the problem starts when after 15 minutes I should to submit it. Still I'm in the home and I am going to the show also, so I know that 30 minutes I'll be late in my submission. Let's go and hurry up. After shower, now I'm ready to go into college and submit my project. It's here, and the paper sheet is in the back. So we will be go to the college and submit our project. Hello guys, welcome back. I want to mention something, like before 10 minutes I'm talking with my professor, head of department, and we discussed the grades of the submission. I asked for the submission, that how it looked like, and it's nice, or do you like it? He said, Balan, you are really doing something that interesting and unbelievable, because he said in this limited time you can do this thing and we can see this result. It's really amazing. So I'm so happy and pleasure for this, and I can define my feeling. It shows my hard working for the submission and for my department and the journey. To camera closer, yeah. This is the result of the working. This is the plan, and we have the elevation in the here, and also about the rendering, and also I added the animation for the submission. You can scan it and look at. Yeah, this is the result. This one the back of the school, yeah, and this one in the side. We can see this one the main elevation, okay, and this one the second, and this one the back, and this one the north elevation. Thanks for everything. Thanks that you watched the video till here. Yeah, it's hard to work for the submission and in this journey. Till the next video, see you. Thanks for your time that you give us and watch this video.